Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Tesla Model 3. First, let's get you inside. You can unlock your car using the sleek key card or simply by having your phone key nearby. Once inside, take a moment to adjust your seat and steering wheel for maximum comfort. All primary controls, from climate to navigation, are managed through the impressive 15-inch central touchscreen, making your driving experience intuitive and streamlined from the very start. Now let's get you on the road. To begin driving, simply push the right-hand stalk down for drive or up for reverse. For a more relaxed journey, engage autopilot by pulling the stalk towards you twice. This advanced system provides assisted steering, acceleration, and braking on many highways. Remember, while autopilot offers incredible convenience, it is a driver assistance feature, so always keep your hands on the wheel and stay focused on the road ahead for safety. Keeping your Model 3 powered up is straightforward. You'll find the charge port discreetly located on the left rear side of your car. For quick top-ups on the go, Tesla's supercharger network can add up to 200 miles of range in about 15 minutes. For daily convenience, installing a wall connector at home allows for effortless overnight charging, ensuring you wake up to a fully charged battery, ready for your next adventure. It's designed to be simple and efficient. Beyond driving, your Model 3 offers a rich infotainment experience. The central touchscreen is your hub for everything, from precise navigation to streaming your favorite music and adjusting the cabin temperature. You can also create personalized driver profiles, saving your preferred seat, mirror, and steering wheel settings. For added convenience, simply use voice commands to control various functions, keeping your focus on the road. It's all designed to make your journey enjoyable and tailored to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.